Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zamorak wine. First, head to the Chaos Temple in the wilderness. This location is north of the Edgeville Monastery and east of the Grand Exchange. Be aware of player killers, as this is a dangerous area. You'll need to bring runes for telekinetic grab, specifically one law rune and one air rune per wine. For your inventory, prioritize safety and efficiency. A staff of air or an air battle staff is crucial for unlimited air runes, saving you money and inventory slots. Wear inexpensive gear like leather armor and a cheap weapon, as you might lose it. Bring a few one-dose prayer potions to activate protection prayers against player killers, giving you a chance to escape. Once inside the Chaos Temple, you'll see the Zamorak wine spawning on the altar. Do not click on the wine directly, as this will make you aggressive towards the Zamorak monks. Instead, cast telekinetic grab on each wine from a safe distance. Collect a full inventory, then teleport out to a bank. Repeat this cycle, always being vigilant for other players. To maximize your profits and safety, consider using a wilderness sword, which offers a convenient teleport to the Grand Exchange. Always keep your private chat off to avoid potential luring attempts from player killers. Remember to bank frequently to minimize losses. This method can be very profitable, but vigilance is key. Also, for staying refreshed during your grinding sessions, check out the Oala water bottle and other great deals linked in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.